What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to get a number of players alive at the top of your screen in CS2. So as you can see at the top of mine, I don't have the player avatars showing anymore. I just have a number count showing. It's big. Maybe this is the setting that you want in like a clutch situation because it lets you figure it out quicker instead of having to look and just process longer looking at avatars. You just get the info right away. I'll show you how to turn this on. So it's actually kind of a hidden setting. So let's go press escape to hit your start menu and then go to settings menu at the top left. So the setting is actually under game right here and under HUD. And it's actually large player count. So I have it on yes right now, but if I put it back to no, this is what it was by default. So let's analyze this real quick. So you can see there's actually a number count under the rounds right there. You'll see 1 player alive on my team and 12 on T side. But beside the number of rounds, like on either side, there's the player avatars. So that's where my brain goes when I first look at that. I'm not looking at the numbers under the rounds. You know, there's a lot of numbers in that center block right there. That's a lot to process. For me, the big numbers on either side allow me to get the info better. However, if you have like a 5 stack, you won't know immediately who's alive that way. So keep that in mind, you know, if you're playing with like a bunch of your friends. That's the only downside, I would say. But otherwise, you know, you remove the avatars and you show the big score, like the big count of players alive on your team is what I mean. So like, let's go back to settings, turn it back on, press escape, and that's what it looks like now. So now the numbers are taken out of that middle block, put on either side. A lot easier to digest. I'm actually going to keep this on. I like this more. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.